Okay, so to make this origami, you're going to choose one printer paper, this one. And first of all, you're going to fold, making the side of the paper go up to this side here, like this. Okay, now unfold and do the same thing to the other direction. And fold. Now unfold and fold everything in half in this direction here. Unfold. Now you're going to fold like this, making this point, these 2 points go up to this point here. Pay attention to the references. Okay. The model is going to look like this, and as you can see, these 2 folds are going to get up to this point here. Okay. Now you're going to reverse fold along this line and this line here, like this. Just push here the paper inside and do the same thing here. Right. Now turn the model over and fold, making this point here, these 2 points, go up to these 2 points here. This. Right. Now you're going to fold this part here, making this side go up to this line here, like this, and unfold. Now you have to reverse fold this last fold we just made. It will be like this. Okay, so the same thing here. Now you're going to fold along this line here, just like this, and you're going to fold, making this side of this front flap here, the side of this flap go up to the middle line. Okay, like this. Now you have to pull here this flap to the other side, and you're going to fold now, making this flap here, this side here, go up to the middle line again. So it's going to be like this. Okay, so fold really well here, really strongly. Okay, and the model is going to look like this. Now do the same, unfold here this flap and do the same thing here, the other side. So like this. Here. Here. Right? Now this part here is going to get a little bit hard to make. So unfold everything. Unfold this flap here. Okay? And fold to the other side. The model is going to look like this. Now you have to hold here the model like this. Okay? And as you can see, we just made this line here and this one here, these 2 lines, and you're going to reverse fold along these lines. So you're going to make a valley fold along this line here, okay, and a mountain fold along this line here. So it's going to be like this. Make a valley fold along the first line and a mountain fold along the second line. like this. Right, and do the same thing here to the other side. And the model will look like this. Try to adjust here the middle line, okay, to make it get straight here and both lines together in the middle line, and it's going to look like this. Now you're going to fold here this flap, you're going to pull and open here this front flap a little bit, pull, and you're going to roll here this side of the paper like this, okay? Just a little bit, making a fold exactly in this point here. Take this point as reference, okay? This point. So, as you can see, I just made a fold exactly here, and the side of the paper here are parallel, are aligned with this other side here. It's going to be the wings. Right. So you're going to do the same thing now to the other side. So you have to pull here this flap, but now the reference is going to be the middle line. You have to fold like this up to the middle line. So the model is going to look like this. Okay, so do the same thing here. Okay, like this, and like this. Right, now you're going to fold here this small side here up to the middle line. I'm going to just to narrow here the point, the front of the plane. Okay. Right. Now fold everything in half, and you're going to fold here down exactly in this point here. You have to take this point as a reference again, this point here, okay? So as you can see, it's going to be a little bit hard to fold here because there are several layers together. It's going to be like this. Right, and the same thing here to the other side. So it's easier if you just put here plane in this position here and fold to the other side. Keep doing this. Right. Now you just have to fold here with this flap like this. And the same thing here. Right? And it's almost done. You just have to fold the tips now. A small tip here. And here. Right? And here, 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 and here. And that's it. The model is finished. So that's it. The model is going to look like this. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.